most people, they never start an online business because they think they need developers, designers, marketers, money, or years of experience. But what if I told you that I typed one prompt into an AI tool and it literally built not just a website, but also the backend, user accounts, a database, payment systems, SEO articles, and even a Google ad campaign. And this is for an actual business, not just a pretty homepage, a real business, rockstars. And honestly, this might be hands down one of the craziest AI tools that I've tested this year.
Hey, it's Odetta, gonna show you the way from rags to riches.
Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. I'm glad you're here and I'm grateful for your support. So Rockstars, today I'm very excited about what I'm testing, and it's a platform called Atoms. And some of you may remember it as Meta GPTX or MGX, because Atoms is actually the rebranded version of MGX, and it's built by the same team behind the open source Meta GPT project. And it has over 133,000 GitHub stars and open Manus. But before we get into it, what makes Atoms different? Atoms is not just another AI tool that gives you random code snippets as an example. They actually call it a vibe business team, which means instead of just helping you design something, it actually helps you to create an actual revenue-ready business from idea to launch, which I think is just incredible. And today, I'm actually gonna show you exactly how it works. But before we dive into it, let's talk about the pain point. Because let's be honest, most people have business ideas, but the problem becomes execution. Because building a real online business, it normally requires some front-end design, some back-end development, and I'm talking from experience here, databases, authentication systems, Stripe integration, development, SEO, marketing, and analytics. And for most people, that's where the dream actually dies, especially if you're a solo entrepreneur. And that's the exact problem that Atoms is trying to solve. Now let me grab my computer because I want us to do this together. Now to get started with Atoms, I've actually placed a link in the description of this video. It will be at the top above the fold. And inside Atoms, you don't just have one AI. You actually have a team of AI agents working together. You've got, as an example, Mike, the team leader, Emma, the product manager, Iris, the deep research agent. You've got Bob, the architect, Alex, the engineer, Sarah, the SEO agent, and Adrian, the ads specialist. A team with actual names, and I think that makes it so relatable. So instead of one AI trying to do everything, Atoms actually breaks the workflow into specialized roles like an actual startup company. And honestly, that's probably why the output feels way more complete than a lot of tools that I've been testing. Now, enough said. Let's actually build something. And what I'm going to be creating is an AI-powered content planner subscription platform for creators. And I know that's a mouthful, but you're going to get it. Just stick with me. And I'm literally starting with this prompt. I want to create a subscription-based AI content planner for YouTube creators. The platform should allow users to register and log in, generate video ideas, create content calendars, store user data, include Stripe subscriptions, because of course we have to get paid, have a dashboard, include SEO optimization tools, and be mobile friendly. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna copy this prompt and any others that I use in this video and place them in the description so you can easily copy and paste them when you want to test out Atoms. And Rockstars, watch this. Isn't this incredible? As you can see, we get an entire business from this one prompt using Atoms. And that's because before building anything, Atoms actually starts with deep research. And this, frankly, is a very smart approach because instead of blindly building, it researches things like competitors, trends, customer pain points, monetization opportunities, and also positioning. So it's validating the business before building the product. That's something that most entrepreneurs completely skip, but it doesn't stop there because there's this really cool feature that I want to show you. And it's honestly wild, rock stars. It's called race mode. And instead of trusting just one AI prompt, Atoms actually has multiple AI teams that are competing against each other to generate better results. What this means is that there are fewer hallucinations, there's stronger logic, there's better architecture, and higher quality outputs. So you're not gambling on AI's first draft. And this is the wow moment. It is Atoms Cloud. And what it does, it actually builds the authentication system, the database, the APIs, the admin panels, and the Stripe payment. And I keep mentioning Stripe payment because a lot of platforms out there that are built with AI, you have to later go and figure out which payment gateway to use so that you can actually earn money. It's all built with Stripe and it's integrated in the process. And overall, for everything I just talked about, it actually is the hardest part of building software, and it's happening within Atoms automatically. As you can see here, this is the Stripe payment screen. And this here is the difference between a mock-up and an actual business. Now let's talk about SEO and Google Ads because it doesn't stop there. Atoms also include an SEO agent that creates SEO content and an ads specialist AI that helps automate Google ad campaigns. Because as you know, having a business and the inability to promote the products that you are marketing for that business, it's almost launching in futility. So by doing this, it means that the platform isn't just helping you to build, it's helping you to grow your business. Now I'm gonna create another use case of how you can use Atoms. And this is for a real business website. Now imagine a solar company or a travel business, or it may be a restaurant, a booking company, or even your own coaching business. You can use Atoms and you can create booking systems. You can create customer portals, lead generation, payment system, databases, and automated workflows. And here's the crazy part. A lot of this can happen in minutes instead of months. Why does all of this matter, rockstars? I think the biggest opportunities here isn't just building apps or creating websites. It's actually reducing friction. And this is friction between having an idea and launching an actual business. Because right now, there are people out there, maybe even you, sitting with a $1 million idea. Because you are those people don't know how to code, you can't afford developers, or they get overwhelmed by technical setup. Atoms is gonna remove a lot of that friction that usually prevents you from bringing idea to execution. So again, if you want to try Atoms yourself, and I've also pinned a comment that's gonna be at the top of the comments section. As a reminder, Atoms was formerly MetaGPT-X or MGX, and it's built by the same team behind MetaGPT and OpenManos. And honestly, this feels less like an AI tool and more like actually having a startup team inside our computer. Rockstars, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment below and tell me what kind of business you would build with this AI. And as always, until next time, walk good.